Welcome to the first episode of Phase 2, and in this video I'm going to be running 10 kilometers in the freezing snow in the blizzard that is currently outside. But first, let's devour this potassium-filled banana. And the plot twist is, I'm going to pick up a friend who is unfit and doesn't run at all, so he's in for a surprise. Let's get right into it.
How far are you?
Mija czas, płynie czas, czas upływa wokół nas. Mija czas, 50. dzień podróży. I forgot the lyrics! It's my favourite Polish movie! We're done! Say something directly to the camera while looking. Direct address.
Kill yourself.
Almost made it to the centrepiece of the run.